I'm going to show you how to create a full screen YouTube video using Canva. First, you want to open up canva.com. Everything that you'll see in this video can be done using the free version of this online software, which is what I'm using right now. If you look in that top section where it asks, "What will you design today?" you'll see different options for the kinds of projects that you can create. We're going to click on videos since we're going to create a video that you can upload to YouTube or further edit in an application such as iMovie. There are quite a few video format options that you can choose from, but we'll select YouTube video. You can upload a video by selecting the Uploads menu option on the left-hand side, but for the purposes of this video, we'll start from scratch. You'll see that there is a white rectangle in the workspace. Let's change the background color. Next, click on the text menu item so that we can add a heading, which in this case will be the title of the video. Let's make our title Basics of HTML. Let's also make the text larger and change the text color to white. Let's quickly add some animation to the text to give this slide some motion. If you click on the black arrow at the bottom of the workspace, you can test out this animation. Now let's add 3 more pages at the bottom of the screen by clicking on the plus sign. Notice that the background carries forward. Now let's click on the second page at the bottom of the screen. It will appear in your workspace as the current page that you're working on. Now let's add the bigger H1 heading and a smaller heading to the page. Let's make the bigger heading HTML and the smaller heading hypertext. I hit the Shift key plus the other text box to make sure they're both selected. Now let's change the text color to white. Now we will reposition both text boxes so that they're close to the top of the page. I'm going to click on that second text box, add a bullet point, change the alignment to left aligned, and then add some animation to just that second header. At this point, you could duplicate page 2 as a starting place for page 3, but we'll go in another direction since we've already started the 4 pages needed for this video. Now let's click on page 3 and add 1 heading and 2 subheading text boxes. We'll add the words that we want, add bullet points, and then add some animation to markup only. Okay, and as you will notice, we are adding the stomp animation feature and then clicking on the On Enter. Now select all the text boxes and move them up as a unit. The way that I do this is to hit the Shift button and then click on the text boxes individually. Now we'll click on the last page in the project and add one heading and 3 subheadings. This time, I'm going to select all of the boxes and reposition them. With everything already selected, I'm going to change the text color to white. I'm going to change the wording in each text box to what I want. Then I'll add my bullet points and change the alignment. I will only add animation to language. Now I'm going to play around with the duration of each page. I chose 3 seconds for the first page, 1.5 seconds for the second and third pages, and 5 seconds for the fourth page. And so that fourth page is the final page. I'm going to click on the arrow key again to test what the finished video will look like. Now I'm ready to download the video as an MP4 file so that I can upload it to YouTube. Click on Share at the top of the screen, then click on Download. MP4 video should already be suggested for you. If not, then click on the down arrow and scroll through the list of options until you see MP4 video, and then select it. This video project only contains pages that we want, so I'll select all pages if it's not already pre-selected for me. Then click Download. And this is all that you need to create your full screen YouTube video.